With up to 50 watts of power and support for temperature-controlled vaping, the VOX TC mod by VaporFi is an all-around performer without any of the hassle. Available in either black or silver, the VOX TC is sized to be pocket-friendly at just 94mm tall and 43mm across with a thickness of 24mm. Up top we have the 510 connector with an automatically adjusting spring-loaded copper center pin with air channels for atomizers that use bottom-style airflow. The bright OLED screen displays your remaining battery capacity, current power setting, atomizer resistance, and output voltage or temperature limit, and is flanked by a power button and plus/minus selector buttons. Down below is a removable cap for the battery compartment alongside the USB charge port. A rechargeable 18650 lithium-ion battery is also included with the VOX Mini, as well as a USB charge cable and a detailed user manual. Before you can begin vaping on your VOX TC, you will need to install the included battery into the device. Unscrew and remove the battery cap by turning it counterclockwise. Next, insert the battery with the positive end first. This is indicated on the battery wrapper as a plus symbol. Now just screw the battery cap back on, making sure not to over-tighten. If your battery moves around freely in the battery compartment, you will need to adjust the pin that is screwed into the battery cap. This pin is reverse threaded, so you will need to turn it clockwise to loosen it. 2 to 3 full turns should be enough, but you may need to adjust accordingly depending on your battery. Although the included battery does come with partial charge and will allow you to begin using your VOX TC right away, it is highly recommended that you fully charge the battery before your first use. Attach the included USB cable to the VOX TC via the micro USB port. Then connect the other end of the cable to a USB port on your computer, or to a compatible USB wall adapter. If you don't have one, you can purchase a USB wall adapter at VaporFi.com. The battery will take approximately 3 to 4 hours to fully charge. In the meantime, the VOX TC does feature a convenient pass-through charging system. This allows you to continue using your device even while it is charging, so you can keep on vaping even when your battery is low on power. To turn on the VOX TC, quickly press the power button 5 times. VaporFi will appear briefly indicating that you've turned on the device. Turning off the VOX TC is done the same way. You can also lock the device instead of turning it off by holding down both the power button and plus button at the same time until the locked message appears. Repeat the process to unlock the device. For your safety, always be sure to lock the device or turn it off completely before placing it in a pocket or bag. Whenever attaching an atomizer with an Ni200 coil, press the power button and minus button together to set the atomizer resistance into the device. This is necessary in order to properly calibrate the device to the atomizer for accurate temperature control vaping. If you won't be vaping in temperature control mode, you will need to switch to power mode. Do this by holding the plus and minus buttons to enter the settings menu. If working mode isn't displayed, press the plus or minus buttons to switch to it. Then press the power button to enter that menu. Press the plus or minus button to select power mode. Then press the power button again to confirm your selection and return to the main screen. The power setting indicated in wattage is the desired power level you wish to vape at. Press either of the selector buttons to change the power setting in 0.1 watt increments until the desired power setting is reached. Hold down the button to scroll more rapidly through the wattage range from as low as 5 watts to as high as 50 watts. In temperature control mode, the temperature limit determines how hot the coil will be allowed to reach while vaping. Once this limit is reached, the VOX TC will begin to throttle back on the power to maintain this temperature. You will need to adjust this accordingly if you find that the temperature limit is too low for the power setting you have set. To do this, enter the settings menu by holding down the plus and minus buttons. Press the plus or minus button to select temp adjust. Then press the power button to enter the temperature adjustment screen. Using the plus or minus buttons, select your desired temperature from 200 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. A higher temperature limit will allow for a warmer vape and higher power settings. whereas a lower temperature limit will be more suitable for lighter vaping preferences. Once you've set the temperature limit, press the power button to confirm the setting and return to the main screen. For more information on what temperature control vaping is and how it can benefit you, please refer to the user manual that came with the device or visit VaporFi.com. Keeping your device clean and well maintained is essential. Periodically wipe down the device to prevent any dust and other particles from entering it, and keep it away from any liquids. Clean the 510 connector regularly with a cotton swab, removing any liquid or gunk buildup to ensure you always have a solid connection with your atomizers. We hope you enjoy using your new VOX TC and found this user guide helpful. For more information about your device, please refer to the included user manual or visit us online at VaporFi.com, where you'll also find a wide selection of vaping products and e-liquids. Choose from our in-house blends or customize your own with over 30,000 possible combinations. Bet you can't try them all. VaporFi. Think it, mix it, vape it.